Hello, today we are going to learn how to divide, for example, a circle, line, a section. First, go to Object Snap and make sure that Center and Node is checkmark. And then go to Circle and draw a circle. And then go to Utility and select your point style. So I am going to select this one. Okay. And then go to draw and divide. Select divide. And it says that select object to divide. I select this object and says enter the number of the segment. For example, 7. And then go to line, first point, and center. Because we select and second point, enter. You don't need to go to line again. If you press if you enter press on the space bar, you go to your last command. Space bar twice. You can also click enter. Enter. If you want to change the color, you can change the color of the layer by layer. For example, by layer, I change the color of all the objects in this layer. Enjoy.